So, who's excited for the fireworks show later today? We need to get the firework trucks, get King Funling and all the food.
It's going to be really fun.
Ryder, I just saw the pirate Funlings and Diesel take the firework trucks.
Thanks for telling us, Funling.
Those pirates are always up to no good.
Sky, make sure the pirates go to the docks where Zuma will be waiting. Chase and Marshall, you check on the food truck, and Rubble and Rocky, you check on King Funling. But first, let's charge up.
I see them.
Uh-oh, better go a different way. That was close. I think we lost them.
Dum da dum da dum. Ooh, mine now.
Oh no, the food truck has gone. Wait, there's a food trail. I'll follow it with a shopping cart. I'll see who's taking it.
Ooh,
Yes, you've been stopped, Rascal Funling. Let's get the food back to the beach.
I can't wait for this fireworks show.
Mine.
Rhino just took the truck. Come on, let's chase him down. I'll get Rhino. King Funling's not in the coach. Maybe he's in the tunnel. Yes, he is. I'll get him.
Thanks for saving me, pups.
That's okay. Let's make sure you get to the beach safely.
We lost the pups. Now let's get these fireworks onto the ship. How come we've started moving? Uh-oh, the fireworks are lit! Jump overboard! Wow, what great fireworks!
Anybody want some food?
Phew, that was close. Oh, hi.
Well done, pups, for saving the day. Now let's enjoy a fantastic fireworks show.